Trench Tech, it's been a while. I'm in the surf closet. Haven't been here for a while. But I finally got my Reolink NVR set up. And man, it's slick. So I've had Reolink cameras for quite a while, ever since I did my initial testing like 2 years ago. I decided originally I was going to go with, I think, HD View, and then I decided to go with Reolink just because of availability, I think. And man, I have loved them. So let me show you the NVR. So right now I've got it just kind of sandwiched between one of my whole home audio amps and an unused PoE switch. Not a PoE, just a regular switch. One above it is PoE. Before, that's where I had my cameras. Sorry, that's my light. I had it plugged into this PoE switch. I would just monitor them remotely via IP address. Super simple and slick in the app. But I decided that I was going to hook the NVR up because I've had it for forever. So really, I didn't use any of these buttons. I plugged the mouse in, and I have a monitor right here. It was super easy to set up. And frankly, if I would have just bought the NVR in the first place, the only password I would have had to set is the one to the NVR. When you plug in the NVR for the first time, it says, hey, let's create a password. You can create additional users. I plugged the cameras into the back, which I'll show you that in a minute. It found the cameras, and then it was freaking out because it didn't know the passwords because I had set custom passwords. But if you're plugging them directly into it, then you don't need to set custom passwords. You can, but you don't need to. So at this point, any new camera that I connect is just going to automatically connect. So it's sweet. Let me show you the back. So I'm lifting up some cables so you guys can see a little bit better. Let me try to hold my camera. So we've got power here on the left, and then going around, you've got, I think it's an audio port. Yeah, audio out. Which I'm blocking my light now. So we got audio out, USB, HDMI, eSATA, VGA, which is what I'm using. Then we got Ethernet. This is to connect to your network to give it internet and access, whatnot. And then I have the 16 port. Yeah, no, 16? 4, 8, 12, yeah, 16. So as you can see, I only have 3 cameras right now, but I can upgrade to many more in the future. But all I can say, I highly recommend this device. Once you have the cameras plugged in, even in the setup process, it takes you through and says, hey, this is the UID, which I assume stands for Unique ID. You can pull up the app on your phone, scan it, and all the cameras are going to automatically be placed in the app. It automatically does port forwarding, so you can use it on Wi-Fi, you can use it on mobile data, all that fun stuff. So highly, highly recommend these Reolink products. And I'll link down to what I have in the description, as well as what some of their new offerings are for some highly recommended stuff. I am going to get some more cameras, so look for some videos coming out on some installs and some of the camera reviews. But thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and we'll see you next time.